Hello everyone. Today we are going to bring you this one project called the one power bank. Why I using this picture, Kupa, is another likely to boom area. Okay, just a fun part. Okay, one power bank. Okay, is very far from Kupa, but very near in Singapore since it is a small country. Okay, this is previously the building. It's still being seen in Google Map. So it's at the Pels Hill City Park. I have been sit in this building before, so I have a very good memory over there. This building is always very outstanding, very attracting because it's located at the downtown Ocean Park MRT area, and of course the Chinatown area. So this building is very near to the CBD and a very good position. Also is near to the very famous Singapore, the HDB, so-called the 50-story HDB building. Okay, so location is good, then the facility is good, and of course the price will be very high. Let's say expected, but let's just have a look. So this is at horseshoe shape is a very unique and very outstanding building shape. Next picture, I'm going to bring you the logo of the development. Is a one power bank. Okay, this signage of the building is very unique as well, and must say that they have put in effort to make it a better one. Okay, so next one is the previous and the current situation. Previously is a horseshoe shape. The new development will be still horseshoe shape, but they are going to make the wind to able to blow through. Previously the wind, whatever going to the horseshoe, will trap over there, not able to blow up and blow down. So this is a new concept that they have some the vertical planting and some of the trees. Okay, this is the rooftop. They link up the two individual blocks with the sky bridge on top, but they still keep the curved shape. And the challenging part is lay on this connection bridge, how to bring up successfully. This is another view, okay, which view from downside can see the like a flower all around the balcony. This is another view with the Republic Plaza at the background. We can see the elevation, the sky park as well. This is a view from bottom up. We can see the bridge. You can see it's around 200 meters above the floor. It's really very challenging to construct and make it maintainable in the future. Okay, so that's a part that the architect posted in front of the engineer and the builders. Good luck. So this is another view from far. We can see the building is full of greenish, and the facade they choose white color. This is a very unique and a very cheerful the color. This is the video I taken at the job site. We can see that the existing tower is being wrapped up by the safety netting, and one tower crane is hoisting up the facility and hoisting down some things. Then on top it is ongoing the demolition. This is another view taken nearby the show flat of the one power bank. Okay, so currently they already bring down half of the building, so I believe the demolition can end in another 2 months time. So the gray color is soundproof and noise proof. Okay, you can see the one excavator is moving on top. So basically the demolition method is layer by layer bring down, and using the lorry to bring away the concrete truck, the debits. I will follow up this building progressively, so stay tuned and expect for more. If you like it, okay, give me a subscribe to my channel and give me the thumb up, okay, like to my videos. Thank you. Bye.